Hi, this is the unboxing of my Hague Mini Motion steadycam. It's an affordable stabilizer. When you compare it with the Merlin, the price is around €100. With this steadycam you can create very nice shots when moving the camera. When I set up the steadycam, I will try to make some footage and put it on my YouTube page. Let's see what is in it. This looks like a manual with the washers which you need for the counterbalancing. This is the actual steady shot itself. I also ordered some extra weight washers as my camera had a wide angle lens with the Raynox HD-0600 Pro, so it could be heavier than 800 grams. And this is a small program of all they can buy. This is the one I bought. Put this aside. Okay, leave this there. Okay, let's see what it is. It's very light. I don't know exactly the weight, but it's a very light stabilizer. Okay, the handle, you can see Hague Mini Motion cam. Okay. On top you can put your camera in a shoe. And this is used for the counterweight. See it in a minute. The manual and the washers. Let's make it open. It's a manual how to install everything and how to balance the camera correctly. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube and on Vimeo, and it's a lot of work to stabilize your camera, so it will take a while. These are the washers. You have 8 big ones and 2 small ones. And these are very heavy. I don't know if I want to use them or if I need to use them. So I cannot shot everything because my camera is running right now, so I only will put up the washers. They recommend to start with putting all washers on it and then put your camera on and balance it. From the front to the back and from the left to the right. Come to the correct combination. But like I said, it will take a while before everything will be running. Okay, thanks for watching this video.